guys, welcome back to another video. You guys notice anything different? Y'all, I am super duper excited to be trying out this wig. As you guys can see, this hair is from Alipearl. So I'm sure you guys have seen Alipearl all over your feed. As you all know, they be providing the girls with quality hair. Like, look at my hair. Speechless. I literally just got my hair done and I am just absolutely loving this hair. So a little bit about this hair. This hair is what they call the chocolate wig, which, yeah, it's giving me very much chocolate. So for all my girls who's like super afraid of color, like I was actually afraid to try this color, but they sent me a few options, and you know what, I was like,
I want something big.
I want something that says
Beyonce.
And this wig is definitely like, look at this quality. Like, just well, like, yo, I don't know how to act, okay? I don't know how to act. I had this comb in my hair all day, just like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking silky. I am wearing a 22-inch, so it goes like this. Absolutely love it. Love the length, everything. Like, y'all, I'm obsessed. I think this is gonna be my new color because just oh my god, like I am in love. And I love the density that I got as well. I got 180 density. The cap size that I got was in medium because I don't wear a lot of wigs. So like, this is, I can count how much wigs I've literally ever worn in my life. So if you have a smaller head, obviously you can get a size small. But yeah, I didn't know, so, and it actually fits perfect. I actually could have gotten a large. But definitely this head will not be a small. So yeah, I did have a professional Bree, shout out Bree. She did do my hair because this wig, when I pulled this out, it was just giving me very much like, you need to get this done professionally. So that's what I did. You guys are gonna see, they're just showing you guys like what she did and the step-by-step.
So stick around. 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 So stick around.
Now let's get into what all came inside this goodie bag. They give you a band. You guys know this is to keep that lace melted on your head. You also get a silk one, so this is also for your edges. As you can see, it says Ali Pearl, everything Ali Pearl. Y'all, they actually really hooked me up in this bag because look, edge brush. I was actually needing one of these. I needed everything in this kit. Lashes, y'all, these lashes are actually pretty good. Like, I only left these off because I wanted to actually show you guys it in the video. So but yeah, so it actually comes with a wig cap as well, the normal two. I already have one on, and then this is the last one. And then they give you a hair care book. It tells you how to take care of your hair, whether it's straight or curly. So y'all, get you guys some Ali Pearl hair. Like, I would never tell you guys to buy something that is not good quality. I would never actually wear anything that's not good quality. I can't wait to take pictures in this. I can't wait to get some more, y'all. Like, honestly, look at this hair. Y'all, this hair is so, like, you know when you can see when hair is good quality? Like, look at the silk. Anyway, but yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And yeah, let me know if you guys like this on me. If you want to give this a try, comment down below. Let them know that I sent you guys, so maybe they can hook you all up. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you liked anything about this video, if you like the color, if you like the texture, if you just like the wig, if you like this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. It truly helps my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, see you guys in my next videos. Bye.